What's good, fam? So today I got a little present from MAPerformance again. They sent me a header for my car, so I'm gonna be installing it. I want to say I'm gonna do it today, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. If you live down south, you know it's been hot, but like it's miserable, bro. And my garage ain't got no AC and stuff in it, so I'm gonna wait till like it's kind of cool. You know what I mean? Wait till it's a little bit cooler, and I'm gonna get it done. But this might not be done in just like one day, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna, if you see my outfit change, ignore it, but I'm gonna get it done and I'm gonna show y'all the install and whatnot, and then we're gonna see what it sounded like afterwards. We're gonna see what we got in here, man. You know, I don't know what that is. Might be a little message or whatnot. We got some hardware. Oh yeah, for sure. This joint, some more hardware. This good packaging right here they use to protect everything. I like that. This probably, yeah, there it is. Bam. Oh, that joint pretty, boy. Let me grab that. Oh yeah, got a little oomph. Yes sir. It's gonna be pretty simple, I think. Well, I'm back, y'all. It's been a while since that first clip. I had a lot of difficulties pop up before I even started, but I had to get some new tools because I couldn't even get under my car with the jack that I had initially. It didn't have enough space for the jack stands, and I wasn't finna get squished. So yeah, I got that. Then I had a bunch of YouTube events and stuff I attended, but aside from that, we finna get it done, bro. We locking in today. Let's get it. Man, inside my hood done got dustier than grandma coochie, boy. That's what happens when you go down to Mississippi, bro. But first thing we're gonna do is disconnect these O2 sensors, and I know they really went out their way to make sure there wasn't a lot of space for your hands in here, bro. I mean, my hand kind of big, but we're gonna get it done. All right, then we're gonna take this panel off right here so we can get to the header. And just so you can see, there's a bolt there, was some right there. There's a few right there in the back. All right, so this bottom O2 sensor was connected with some clips, and I'm being honest with you, I didn't know how to take the clips off, so I just disconnected it. I got it hanging right here, but I'll disconnect the other one whenever I get this off. All right, we got 3 bolts on this side. You see one there, there's one in the middle, and another one over here. And over on this side is essentially the same. One in the middle, one there, one there. All right, I left 2 bolts on both sides to hold it up, and now I'm gonna take these 2 off. There's one here and one over here, 14 millimeters. And boom, it's out. Now you will have a hard time getting this out without, I don't know, taking this off, because it's a really tight amount of space for you to get it out, but I use a flathead screwdriver to kind of pry it, and it came off.
One eternity later.
All right, got it on. Only issues I really had was getting this bolt right here and the one on this side. There's really not any space for you to use a regular ratchet to get it out, so you probably want to get a swivel. That'll help. I used a wrench and it took a long time, but I got it in there. It's up, so let's see what's up. Man, overall, I'd say the install was pretty simple and straightforward, man. It didn't require too much. As far as the sound goes, I can definitely notice that difference in it, because, you know, if before we sounded like Simba, bro, now it sound like Mufasa. I like that, man. They add a little throat to it, you know what I'm saying? It sounds a little more mature, if you will. So that definitely, it sounds sexy, bro. And then I do have the other part from MAPerformance. So, you know, them two together just, you know, they really sounded nice, bro. And man, y'all should, if you got the car, bro, I'd recommend you get it if you want that extra, you know what I'm saying? You want that little extra added to it, bro, definitely hit that up, man. I'm gonna have all the links in the description, man, and I'll catch y'all next time.
Don't talk like one of them. You're not. Even if you'd like to be. To them, you're just a freak. Like me.